Today, we're making crispy onion potato chips. These are light, crunchy, and packed with a delicious combination of flavors. The best part? No oil is needed. Get ready for the ultimate guilt-free crispy snack. Ingredients: 200 grams potato, 100 grams onion, 50 grams water, 50 grams tapioca starch, 2 grams baking powder, a pinch of salt. Prepare the potatoes and onions. Peel 200 grams of potatoes and cut them into small pieces. Dice 100 grams of onion into similar-sized pieces. Add both to a blender with 50 grams of water. Blend until smooth and pour the mixture into a large bowl. Mix the batter. Add 50 grams of tapioca starch or cornstarch if not available. Sprinkle in 2 grams of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Stir well until there are no lumps. If the batter feels too thin, add 10 grams more starch for better consistency. Transfer the mixture into a piping bag. Pipe small circles onto baking paper. Cover with another sheet of baking paper and gently press down with a cup to flatten. Bake to perfection. Preheat the oven to 140 degrees Celsius and bake for 12 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 110 degrees Celsius and bake for another 30 minutes until golden and crispy. And just like that, your crispy, crunchy onion potato chips are ready. These light and delicious chips combine the best of both worlds, potato chips and onion rings, all in one bite. Try them out and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more delicious recipes. See you in the next video!